Hello, welcome back to Happy Full Stack Life as a developer. Today I continue with CSS lesson, demo margins in CSS that we use margin in CSS. So margin is used to create spaces around HTML element. That is, come back with the CSS HTML5 here, which h1 demo margin in CSS in h1 here, and with style the body background color is cyan, and in this style we use a selector as class selector. Demo margin is a class to select the h1 because h1 have class demos margin. Alright, now if we want to add space around demo margin, we should use margins maybe 100 pixels. Save and check in the browser. Refresh. Now you see that around the demo margin in CSS h1 it has spaces. Left space, right space, top space, and bottom space. Margins create space around HTML element. If the margin property has only one value like this, margin 100 pixel or maybe 50 pixels. So the left, the right, and the top and the bottom margin all equal to the same value, 50 pixel. But if you want to add spaces different for left, for right, for top, for bottom margin, so we should use margins top maybe 50 pixels, margin left 100 pixels, margin right 80 pixels, and margin bottom just 10 pixels. Okay, so the spaces for left, right, top, bottom are different. Save and check. Now you see that the different. The top margin is bigger than the bottom margin, and the left margin is wider than the right margin. That is, you can choose whatever you want the margin for top, left, right, bottom. If only margins 50 pixels, then all four margins are equal. And one more margin property you should know, that margin outer. If you give the width of this h1 maybe 300 pixels, and we set the margin be outer here, so save and check this. Now you see that the width of demo margin in CSS is 300 pixels, and if the margin is set to auto, then it be horizontal center alignment. That is, the margin outer property is useful to center align the HTML element with margin outer. And that is for today's lesson about margin in CSS. Thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.